Today, the El Camino is going to its first ever car show. Let's get into it.
Hey, yo, the pizza here.
Kick his ass, Seabass!
I might be able to just use this to that. Might be able to use that section. That might be enough. Okay, exhaust is mounted. I actually, in order to save time, because I'm kind of on a time crunch, I only used one screw on this connection and that connection, and because I was supposed to use 2 on each one, which would be 6 screws, but I only got to use 4 because, like I said, it takes a lot of time to do this. So let's just see how it sounds and how it works. The last thing I need to do is hang it to something, like install a strap somewhere, and then we're good to go. So yeah, there it is. It's sitting a little low right now, but it came out pretty much how I had hoped. I mean, sure, I wish it could look better, and I figure maybe I will cut a little bit off at the tip just to make it look a little better. Let's where's the key? The ignition. Let's hear it. Oop. That is awesome. That is really cool. Look at that. It seems to not be running great on cold start, so might have to turn it up, rev it up just a little bit. There we go. That woke it up. Alright guys, it is ready for the show. I tried to cut an angle on it, but my Sawzall died. So, oh well, I guess it's got some marks now. Tied it up real cheaply. Again, I mean, none of this was supposed to be show worthy, but she is ready. Let's get out of here.
Yeah. He's running away from me. Get back here. Get back here. I'll do it.
Kick his ass, Seabass!
Running away! Oh yeah. Yeah, a little bit.
Guys, we're getting pretty close to the end of the journey. We're pretty close to the house, but I'm not quite ready to park the car in the barn just yet. I kind of want to take it around and drive it a little bit. I haven't really had a chance to do that, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and get it off the trailer and take it around. Yeah, it's definitely down on power. Woo! Oh yeah, she's not one to accelerate anymore. Every once in a while the carburetor decides it wants to run and then it decides, nah, I changed my mind. Come on, come on. Come on! Jeez. Sounds cool, but it's not going very fast. I'm gonna be honest with you. It sounds so healthy when it's idling now. I don't get it. This is full to the floor. To the floor. Hey, there we go. There we go. Okay, so it ran a little bit better just then. Nice. Run those cobwebs out, girl. That's more like it. Now let's do that on the road this time. No accelerator. I mean, it doesn't sound bad. It's just that I feel like it should be going faster, that's all. I think it used to. I mean, I'm not crazy, am I? Man, it's not even smoking behind me either. Wow. Look at that. There's third. Man, that shaking's bad, actually. I wonder what that is. Man, this is definitely not a fast car, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. She sounds mean, she looks fun, but this engine and trans have got to go. That's definitely gonna be the next thing we do on this car, is just get rid of this damn 305 3-speed. It is weighing this car down. Sound really good though, really good.
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love.